What a beautiful day at Lanikai Beach. What a beautiful morning in Hawaii. A wet one today. And here comes Stacey picking us up in their cool Jeep. Oh, she's so cool.
I didn't know what my heart was in for till you stepped into the room. And I didn't show, but I wanted to know everything I could.
So I've actually read on multiple sites that this beach is known to be the most beautiful beach on the entire island of Oahu, and I have to say, I think I agree.
So I put every single dream in you, but you said the bar so high above the sky.
Alright, let me tell you guys something. When it rains in Hawaii, it really rains. We had about 5 minutes on Lanikai Beach and then got rained out, and we've got too much camera equipment to just kind of sit it out in the rain. The umbrella got flipped inside out. But we're going to hopefully hang around this area, see what this area has for us to explore, and maybe, fingers crossed, if the weather clears up, make our way back to Lanikai Beach and get some relaxation there. Guys, the rain is really ruining our vibe. I hate to be a complainer, but it's ruining the vibe. I keep telling Stacey to hang loose, but she's not listening to me. There's just not a lot you can do when it's torrential rain. and we're trying to stay outdoors because of COVID. You know, we thought we'd go to the beach, go for walks, whatnot, but it's just making it a bit hard. But that's okay, we're in Hawaii, Stacey. We're saturated. Our other issue is that our hotel room doesn't have a balcony, so literally nothing is drying. So when our clothes are getting saturated every day, we can't really dry them out, and I'm gonna say bringing home a suitcase full of saturated clothes is gonna weigh quite a bit, so it's an issue we need to solve before we go home. But we're in Hawaii and happy to be here. I'd be happy to be wet in Hawaii than dry in Melbourne. I mean, I love Melbourne, but we've been there for 2 years, so. And realistically, I mean, if it's gonna rain and we can't do anything outdoors, that just means we have to shop. She's gonna lose control again. I decided to come to Target because there's nothing else to do when it's raining. So guys, it's January 1st and they're setting up for Valentine's Day. I'm in heaven. Our basket is filling up. Guys, look at this. It's Lucky Charms hot chocolate. That's the stuff. These are Rosh's favourite. We have Sour Patch Kids in Australia, but we don't have watermelon flavour. And this is just watermelon flavour, so pretty good. Look at all the Oreo flavours. Carrot cake, peanut butter. These are my favourite chips. Oh, I guess they're called biscuits, I suppose. They're really bad for you, but so good. It's still festive season at Starbucks, so I've got myself a nice peppermint mocha. Caramel ripple crunch, something like that. Okay, so that might not be super festive. Maybe that's something that's all the time. I reckon it's festive. Okay, maybe it's festive. I'm claiming it. Yeah. Cheers. And it's still raining, so we're having Starbucks in our car while we decide what we're going to do next. Because we're about 40 minutes away from our hotel, and I think there are some nice beaches around here to explore. It's just, can we get out there in between the rain storms? We'll see. This rain is no joke. Driving through a mountain. Whoa. Okay, we have driven to Diamond Head Lookout and we're going to try and put the drone up. Hopefully it'll result in some really cool footage. The sun's out, hopefully it's here to stay.
We are now back. We went to the Ala Moana Centre again today to go shopping because really what else are we meant to be doing? It is still torrentially raining outside and it looks like everyone had the same idea as us because it was packed. But we're now back in our hotel room and we got something special for lunch. If you watched any of our Japan vlogs, you will know this was one of our absolute favourites when we were in Japan. Coco Ichibanya. It is a Japanese curry chain. And they happen to have them here in Hawaii, so we are very excited to tuck into this. We have finally left the hotel this afternoon. It is actually still raining outside, but we've come out to dinner at Olive Garden. Neither of us have been here before. We've just got our breadsticks and our salad that have arrived, and we're very excited.
The mains haven't come out yet, but so far we've been given free salad and breadsticks, and the breadsticks alone are worth coming to Olive Garden in my opinion. They are super duper tasty. Stacey and I both have our napkins tucked into our shirts like children because we're afraid that we're going to spill our food on our tops.
We are done. I had a very successful outing. Rosh has been defeated. She didn't even eat her second breadstick.